Butterflies. I never really felt them before I met you. I'd been nervous and anxious before, but this time was different. I felt the stir in my stomach and in my heart. Just thinking of you made me smile and sent a tingle down my spine. The butterflies inside would fly because I knew I had you by my side.
Crane Photography. Moments for a lifetime.
Stars say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
You think it's easy. You think I don't wanna run to you, but there are mountains and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all.
Moments for a lifetime. Moments for a lifetime.
Misuwa jona jelezi mutwe guno maneleze gwe vayo je kwese ondazo mukwano mungi wakugugo kusinga bangi. Hakuna dawa, baby you're the only one dawa. Hakuna dawa, otali moyo gunuma. Hakuna dawa, baby you're the only one dawa. Hakuna dawa, otali moyo gunuma.
Crane Photography. Moments for a lifetime. Moments for a lifetime.